Okay, Wednesday, April 6th, just following up on ABBV again. This is the 1 minute chart. Just you can see here we are getting that next push up, which is very nice. So we kind of paused in here, and then this is now the next push up. Now the question is, this is the start of a fourth 15-minute bar. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4 in a row up. To me, it's almost a good play. If we can get just a little higher here in the 160, it's a good place to exit. On the first push of the day. Then you could always look for a consolidation and re-entry type of thing, or you can stick with it. But it's a type of thing now. This is a small little 15-minute bar. This one's trying to break to the upside. If this ends up being a weak bar that doesn't follow through, and then you get like a 2 up, 2 down type of bar on the next 15 minutes, that could be a sign to, that the exhaustion has happened here in the first move of the day, and you can exit and then again look to re-enter. So now it's just a matter of really following this 15-minute bar closely, seeing if we get if we get a big green bar. I'd expect that the next 15-minute bar just to at least test that high, whatever it is. But now I'm just kind of watching to see where it begins to fail up here, and I'm not even expecting it necessarily because it's really strong, but I just want to watch that 15-minute price action to decide how to exit this trade, just kind of pointing that out as it happens. Again, it's the only stock on the board that's really moving up nicely, so that's why I'm ultra focused on it compared to I'm not really interested in other things today. Market's down, which could be setting up a good buying opportunity, quite frankly, in the days and weeks ahead, given a little pullback, but we're not there today. So this is the one stock acting pretty well. You can see here, I'm watching the 15-minute chart as it forms. We're only a couple of minutes in, but it's having a hard time, at least at the beginning of the 15 minutes, moving up higher. The 1 minute chart, that's not a bad looking pattern here to come up and just pause. So one little push up here, I think I sense would be a good exit area, towards 168. But we'll see what happens. But I'm showing you the main thing here from the prior video that we did. Got to pull back and another push up. So now you're kind of looking at the waves. 1 push up, 2 pushes up, 3 pushes up. This is the 4th push up to start the day. You don't usually get more than that, to start. So that's kind of why you got to kind of let price action lead the way as to, how you want to exit these trades. And a lot of times you don't get it perfect, but I like to try to exit into strength. So we'll see if we can get here above 167.50. That'll be nice. And then I'm going to really watch that 15-minute bar form and see if we can get this at one more green bar up here would be really ideal, but I'm not convinced it's going to happen. But again, just showing you again how I kind of look at the 15-minute chart and the 1 minute chart as I'm in these trades in terms of how to manage it. So here's a nice 1 minute green bar after like a little flag pattern here. I'd love to see that break to the upside. And this could, quite frankly, if it does, I'd really like to be exiting up in here. So yeah, I can't guarantee it's going to happen, but it's the type of things I do look for. But anyway, I'll end this video here and maybe do one more follow-up later.